Welcome to the spoken tutorial on assembly of robot. In this tutorial, we will learn to assemble a simple robot, about .apk file to control a robot, and how to install the app on a mobile phone. To follow this tutorial, you should have a basic knowledge of electronics. To record this tutorial, here I am using Ubuntu Linux 16.04 OS Android phone. We require the following components to build the simple robot: 2 DC motors, acrylic robot chassis with screws and nuts, 1 caster wheel, 2 DC motor wheels, single strand wires, and a screwdriver. In this tutorial, we will see how to assemble a 2-wheel robot. I will explain the assembly of a robot along with the images. First, we need to solder DC motors wire leads as shown in the image. Using a soldering iron, solder a red wire and a black wire to the wire leads of the motor as shown. Repeat this with the other DC motor as well. This is the acrylic chassis where we will mount the DC motor and caster wheel. Along with the chassis, we have motor mounting brackets, screws and nuts. These are the motor mounting brackets. They are used to fix the DC motors to the frame. Insert the bracket into the indicated slot. Now, place one DC motor here. Place another motor mounting bracket from the outside. Take the long screws and insert them into the two brackets and motor. Use a nut from the other side to tighten the screw. Repeat this procedure for mounting the other motor on the chassis as well. Fix the wheels on the motors as shown here. First, fix the brass spacers on the chassis with the help of screws as shown in the image. Tighten the screws with a screwdriver. Now flip the chassis to mount the caster wheel on the same side as the motor. Mount the caster wheel on 4 brass spacers using the small screws. Tighten up each screw so that the caster wheel gets firmly fixed to the chassis. Now we are done with assembling the robot. Further, we need an app to control the robot. An APK file is an app for the Android, Google's mobile operating system. We have built an Android app to control the robot which we have built. This won't work on other mobile operating systems like Apple's iOS. We have used the MIT App Inventor platform to build an app named Car Bluetooth RC. To use this app on your phone, you need to download this .apk file. Let us go to the MIT App Inventor website and have a look. In the web browser, type appinventor.mit.edu. MIT App Inventor is an open source platform to build applications for both Android and iOS. Go through the tutorials and instructions on this website for more information. Using the MIT App Inventor, I have created the Car Bluetooth RC.apk file. Similarly, you can explore and create your own app for your project using the MIT App Inventor. The .apk file used in this tutorial is available in the code files link on this tutorial page. Please download and extract it. Make a copy and then use it while practicing. Let's first see how to install this app and how to configure it. I have downloaded the Car Bluetooth RC.apk file into my downloads folder in my computer. Go to Google Drive. In the left panel, click on the New option. Select File Upload option. A file upload pop-up window will open. Select the .apk file from where you have downloaded. Now click on the Open option. After a few seconds, the .apk file will be uploaded on your Google Drive. Next we will see how to open this file in the Android phone. Otherwise, you can transfer the .apk file from your computer to the phone using an USB cable. Now open Google Drive in your Android phone. Note, make sure you are using the same email account where you have saved the .apk file. Click on the .apk file that you uploaded from your computer. Select Package Installer option. It will ask if you want to install this application. Click on Install option. Now the app is installed on your phone. You can see the car Bluetooth RC icon on your mobile phone. We will see how we can control a robot using this app in the next tutorial. In this tutorial, we learned to assemble a simple robot, about .apk file to control a robot, and how to install the app on a mobile phone. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The spoken tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Please post your timed queries in this forum. The spoken tutorial project is funded by MHRD, Government of India. This tutorial has been contributed by FOSSEE and Spoken Tutorial Project at IIT Bombay. And this is Saurabh signing off. Thanks for joining.